Hello learners, welcome to our channel. Today I will teach you how to program a question, and the question is that how to read a file using fgets functions. And as we all know, fgets function is used to read a whole string. So now we will see how to program it. For this purpose, first I will define a main function, and now I will take a character array. For that I have taken a character array C. Suppose I have taken its size 10, and this size should is equals to the size of the string which I want to read at a time. Now I will take a file pointer which is going to read the file. So you might wonder from where this file data type came from. This is already included in the hash include stdio function header file. Hash include stdio is a header file. Now I will open the file using the fopen function. So fp is equals to fopen. I will pass the name of the file. I have a file test file.txt, and I will open in the read mode. In the read mode, what happens if the file is not present? Then the system will set that the file is not found if you print it. But if you don't print it, then nothing will get printed, and you will simply doesn't see anything on your console. So for that you have to write a condition. If fp is not equal to null, and in that case write a printf statement, file not found, and exit to exit the loop. Now I will try to read the file character by character. For that purpose I will be using while loop. So while fgets character array C, and the size of the character I want to read at the time. Suppose I want to read 5, but maximum I can take only 10. So but now I am taking only 5 is not equals to null. And if the string is in the file is not null, then I want to print it simply. So I have written the printf statement, printf %s, because %s is used to print the strings. And now see, simply now I will close the file using the fclose function. Now the program should run, and for that purpose I am saving it with file reading .c. Sorry, I have given the wrong name. And you can see that it is compiling, and you can see that I have got the error file not found. It might be because I have a missing file. So let me check it out. So previously the file couldn't open because the file was missing, but now I have created the file, and you can see the file. This is this file written. Wow, that's a great job. Hello, this is instructor's point. So now I will run it, and you can see the output. Wow, that's a great job. So this is how simply we can program a question and read the contents of a file using the fgets functions. So please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.